CCG is short for the Climate Compatible Growth Programme. This is a programme funded by the UK government, specifically the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. It involves a number of the UK's top universities, so it's led out of Loughborough University, plus an organisation called the Climate Parliament. So the objective is to improve the science policy interface, especially in developing countries, and we want to improve that interface in order to find opportunities to grow new businesses, improve livelihoods, and so on, but to do it in a way that at the same time reduces greenhouse gas emissions. And so this is a really interesting, exciting challenge. We're a young program, a year old, but we've produced a number of really important outputs that we are seeing being used at policy-making level in countries. This is really important because hundreds of millions of people are locked out of livelihoods that are exciting and rewarding with a lot of opportunity. And by applying the very best science together with partnerships to develop new stuff, we can unlock those livelihoods. And if we're careful, we can make sure that the solutions that we come up with create opportunities for tomorrow, not problems.